Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Hello friends, it's Raj. So this is the Lenovo G560 laptop. And we are going to replace its faulty keyboard. First of all, shut down the laptop and remove the battery. Now remove the screws as shown in the video. Also look for any screws with keyboard image etched near it and remove them. Now lift the back cover and remove the additional screws. Flip the laptop over. Now you have to push the locks of the keyboard and pull it up carefully. Gently slide it upwards. Now gently push the ribbon cable clip a little bit so that you can disconnect the keyboard from the laptop. This is the replacement keyboard which I bought from AliExpress. You can find the link in the video description. Now place the keyboard, insert the ribbon cable and push the clip back in. Testing if the keyboard is working fine. Now fit the back cover and all the screws back in. So that was about replacing the keyboard of Lenovo G560 laptop. Hope the video was helpful. Peace.